everybody, I'm Justin with AmericanTrucks.com, and today we're taking a closer look at and showing you how to install the full LED taillights with the sequential turn signals fitting all 2019 and newer Sierra 1500s equipped with factory LED taillights. Now you guys should be checking out these options for your newer Sierra if you'd like to go with a very dark and aggressive option in regards to appearance, along with a taillight that will pack modern features such as the unique stacked daytime running lights and sequential turn signals, all for right around that mid $600 price point. All right, starting off with our features block here today, and the biggest thing that comes to mind in regards to features is the fact that these are going to deliver the combination of the very aggressive appearance thanks to the black housing paired with a lightly smoked lens, along with the unique appearance that you get once the full LED tails are fired up through the things like the daytime running lights and those sequential turn signals. Now the dark smoked appearance is pretty self-explanatory here, as it's a look a lot of truck owners really dig, and these will certainly help achieve that full smoked out or blacked out look if that's something you're after. Now in addition to the appearance or the look, the big story will be the full LED operation that you are of course retaining in regards to your factory taillights, but you're doing so in a way that you're getting a very unique looking running light here with the 3 stacked C shapes, as I like to call them, and they really do set these apart from a lot of your other options on the site, and of course a lot of your other options on the road. Now in the middle of those C shapes, you are going to find a group of high-powered LEDs. Your top 2 here are going to feature red, of course, and those are going to handle things like your brake lights, sequential turn signals, while lastly your bottom block here will handle your reverse lights thanks to the bright white LEDs. Now altogether, these are going to deliver a very unique looking taillight for owners who really aren't crazy about staying stock. All right, moving into construction, and these full LED tails will feature a durable ABS black plastic for the actual housings themselves, while the lenses will be made from a lightly smoked polycarbonate material. Now I know it doesn't look like it, but the lens is a very light smoke. It's just that when it works with that black housing, the end result is a very dark, very aggressive look. Now the taillights do feature a weatherproof design, so you are going to help prevent any moisture or condensation from building up behind those lenses over time. And yes, the lights do feature a simple plug and play type of install. Now I do want to mention, guys, that the lights are DOT and SAE stamped right there on the lens, which will make these legal for use in all 50 states. And I know that's always a concern when truck owners are shopping for a darker LED taillight such as this. Well, don't worry guys, again, it's right there on the lens for you, so you should have no concerns. Price point for the full LED tails will live in that mid to high $600 ballpark, which does put these on the slightly higher end of the pricing spectrum when compared to some of your other options on the site for the LED Sierras. So regardless, feel free to check out the rest of our selection here at AT, as we do have options for just about every budget out there. All right, last but not least, let's talk about the installation, and the site's gonna go with a soft 2 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, taking 45 minutes at absolute most to complete from start to finish. But now to give you a better idea of how this one might go down on your Sierra at home, let's throw it out to the shop for our detailed walkthrough and tool breakdown.
For this install, you will need a ratchet and a T15 Torx bit. What's up folks, today we're gonna be doing some taillights on our Sierra, so let's get started. All right, so now we've got our tailgate open, and to get our factory taillight out, this is held in by 2 T15 Torx screws here on the inside where your tailgate sits. So we've got our T15 Torx bit on our ratchet. We'll pop those out, then we can pull our taillight out. Try not to drop these screws. Now that we've got our screws out, we can pull our taillight out of its area. Then we have one plug on the back side. So we're just gonna pop this locking tab, push down on our release, and unplug our taillight. Now once you have this side done, you can repeat the same process for the other side. So now we can install our new taillight assembly. That's got a factory style plug, so we're gonna grab our original connector, plug that right back in, make sure that seats, lock down that tab, line up our locators, and get this set into place. Then we can reinstall our 2 screws. So once again, we've got our T15 Torx bit. Now these tiny Torx, you definitely want to be careful not to over tighten them. They will strip out. Now once you've got this side in, you can do the same thing for the other side. All right folks, that's going to do it for our review and install of our full LED taillights with sequential turn signals and black housings and smoke lenses for your 19 to current Sierra 1500 with factory LED taillights. Thanks for watching, and as always, for everything Sierra, keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.